Clean the legs with a towel. Measure the size of the lower leg and the thigh and keep a record. Apply gel evenly to the treated part. Attention, please remove all metal objects from the body, otherwise, unexpected situations may occur, affecting the curative effect. Those with implanted metal stents, a contraceptive ring is not included, cannot use it. Launch the machine. Select household, click leg slimming, and press the start button for treatment. Parameters are default and can be set manually for individual tolerance. Cavi and RF, 20 minutes. Draw small circles on the lower leg, 1 minute. Move the device back and forth between the knee and the thigh root, 2 minutes. Draw circles from the knee to the thigh root, 3 minutes. Push crossly in one line after another from the thigh's outer side to the middle, 2 minutes. Push crossly in one line after another from the thigh's inner side to the middle, 2 minutes. Do the same on the other side. "30K Pro, 10 minutes. Draw small circles on the lower leg, 2 minutes. Disregard it if the lower leg does not have fat. Draw circles on the thigh's fatty part, 3 minutes. Do the same on the other side. Clean the treated part. The treatment takes 30 to 40 minutes. Take it at least 3 times a week. Matters needing attention after treatment. Drink more warm water to facilitate metabolism. You are advised to drink 250 ml to 300 ml of warm water immediately after a session and the same amount 1 hour later and daily. Consume less oil and salt. Eat less but more meals. Avoid high oil, high calorie food. Decrease the intake of carbohydrates but have more protein. Avoid eating and drinking too much, staying up late, or drinking alcohol. Recommended treatment course. Please take it at least 2 times a week. Your leg circumference is reduced, striae distensae fades away, and the skin becomes tightened 4 weeks later. After 2 months, your leg's areolar tissue is relieved, and they turn slim and firm. The legs become more slender and tightened after 3 months.